In this tutorial, you'll design a creative infographic pie chart in Photoshop using custom shapes to visualize percentages. Open a square canvas suitable for a chart. Draw a large circle as the pie chart base. Divide the circle into sections using triangle or wedge custom shapes for each percentage. Use the Type tool to label each section with numbers and categories. Add small icons inside or near sections for visual context. Duplicate sections behind and adjust opacity for subtle layering. Refine angles and spacing between wedges to maintain clarity. Zoom out. The pie chart now looks informative, structured, and visual.